Hello everybody, today we're gonna see about the second part, which is dealing about randomization for incomplete design. In the previous tutorial we tried to see about randomization for complete block design, starting from CRD, RCBD, lattice design, and end with split plot design. Today we will continue the rest type of the rest randomization procedure for incomplete block design. So let's see the first simple lattice design, and this let's use the treatment is 5 by 5. That means the number of treatment that we have is around 25. So type this and submit to our studio. Then again, when it is simple, the replication by default which is equals to 2, and when it is triple, the replication will be 3, and when it is quadruple, so the replication will be 4. So our treatment that we have is 25, and we have to use to randomize for the simple lattice, you have to use design.lattice function and indicate our treatment which is equal to 25, then r is equal to 2, that means our replication, series is equal to 0, so that means starting plot number from 1. So type this and submit to our studio. Let's see the randomization for the simple lattice design. Yeah, so we have 5 replication. We have 5 here. Again, we have 5 here, and again, all of our treatment are randomized in this procedure. This is in the replication 1, and again, here is in the replication 2. In similar fashion, you can get the randomization procedure for simple lattice. Coming to the triple lattice, let's create this in terms of letter. This is in terms of number. Let's create by letter. That means starting from A to H or I. That means 9 means you can count A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Around I, it will be 9 treatment, or maybe it's considered as a variety. So type this, and again you have to use the function is design dot lattice, and the treatment what I assigned here is means 9 varieties, 9 genotypes, or anything will be possible for 9 treatments. Then the difference between the simple and the triple is r equals to 3, but in the case of simple it is 2. So type this, and you can get in two ways, either in the book form or else you can simply sketch using the you have to write out design and attach with sketch using the $sign, so you can get the sketch format. So across 3 replication you can get this different randomization for different treatments. And the other is the alpha lattice design, and our treatment is around 30, or 30, 1 up to 30, so you have to indicate in this way. And here you have to indicate the length of your treatment is obvious, it is 30. For example, if I run this one, it will be 30. Then the size of block, which is equals to 5, and again you can assign the block block which is equals to treatment divided by the block size. So you can get 30 divided by 5, which is equals to 6, and you have to indicate again here is the replication. So replication in our case is 3, so type this. Then again you have to use here is design.alpha, but in the previous one is design.lattice, but here in order to randomize alpha lattice design, we have to use the function design.alpha. This function is built in Agricole package, so don't forget to run Agricole package, or don't forget to incorporate Agricole package into your R Studio or R software. Then again you have to indicate your treatment, which is in our case 30, then K, which is equals to 5, then R, which is equals to, that means the number of replication is 3, so it will randomize in this way. So you can get the sketch as well for 3 replications. So all 30 treatments are replicated across here and across here. Lastly, for this tutorial, we will randomize the augmented block design. And here is our checks. Is 5 treatment is check which is repeated across all replication. If you have 6 replication, these checks will be found in all 6 replications. And the number of treatment that is not replicated in entire replications. For example, treatment 7 or treatment 9 or treatment 10 will be replicated in replication 1, 3, and 5. Maybe the rest treatment 8, treatment 20, treatment 40, maybe it's only replicated in treatment in replication 1, 2, or 3. So this is then replicated. We assign as I assigned as 1 up to 100. So type this one, and again the replication either 4, 5 on the basis of your preference or your resource. You can manage in your own way. So submit this. Then you have to here use the function design dot dau. That means it stands for augmented. It stands for augmented. So treatment 1 is the first, the 5 treatments as it checks. The treatment 2 is the unreplicated entries. R which is equal to the replication, in our case 5, and it starts its randomization from uh, 600. Then after the series 0 started upload from uh, 1. So type this and submit to our studio. Then finally you will get such type of randomization for augmented design. So this is all about today's tutorial. As usual, if you have any question regarding to my tutorial, you can address me through my email or YouTube comment box. Thank you for watching. Have a nice time.